Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the basics of sewing. A modern shirt collar. This guide is perfect for beginners, so don't worry if you're new to sewing. We'll break down each step, making it easy to create a professional-looking collar. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need your main fabric, a suitable interfacing for the collar, which provides structure, matching thread, a sewing machine, pins, scissors or a rotary cutter, and a ruler or measuring tape. A seam ripper is also handy for any mistakes. And of course, your pattern pieces for the collar and collar stand. Next, prepare your fabric and interfacing. Cut out your collar pieces from your main fabric and the interfacing. The interfacing should be the same shape as your collar pieces, or the collar stand pieces, depending on your pattern instructions. Iron the interfacing onto the wrong side of one of the collar pieces. This step is crucial for giving your collar its shape, and preventing it from sagging. Now, let's start sewing. Place the two collar pieces, right sides together, with the interfaced piece on the inside. Pin the edges together, making sure to align the edges carefully. Use a generous amount of pins, especially around curves. Sew around the collar, using a seam allowance specified in your pattern. Generally, it's about ½ inch. Leave the bottom edge open for turning. When you sew around corners, slow down and pivot your needle at the corner, keeping the needle in the fabric to maintain a sharp corner. Once you've sewn around the collar, it's time to trim the seam allowance. Trim the corners diagonally to reduce bulk, and clip into any curves. But be careful not to cut the stitches. This will help the collar turn smoothly. Turn the collar right side out. Use a point turner or a dull pencil to push out the corners and curves. Gently press the collar with an iron, paying close attention to the edges. This step sets the shape of the collar. You can also slip stitch the opening close by hand. If your pattern includes a collar stand, now is the time to assemble it. Place the two collar stand pieces right sides together and sew around them, leaving the top edge open. Trim the seam allowance, turn it right side out, and press. Attach the collar to the collar stand by placing the raw edges of the collar between the raw edges of the collar stand, right sides together. Pin, and sew the collar and collar stand together. Finally, attach the collar stand to your shirt. And there you have it, a beautifully sewn shirt collar. Keep practicing, and you'll be creating professional-looking collars in no time. Thanks for watching.